This 2027 East to West Della Terra 263RK is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Scott, Louisiana, 70583 and is offered for sale by Gauthiers RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new East to West is 31 feet 10 inches in length and features a CLARINET FOG interior, sleeps 4, oven, water heater, TV, refrigerator, TV antenna, and 40 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features couples coach, front bedroom, rear kitchen, 2 entry, exit doors. The unloaded weight of this 2027 East to West Della Terra 263RK is 7,405 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.